Welcome to the tutorial, Electronics Made Simple, Part 3. Basic Electronics. Continued from last part. Inductor. An inductor is made of coils, by using conductive materials. This is used to filter direct current, DC, from a mixture of alternative and direct current. The inductor allows the DC to flow through, while it opposes the AC in the circuit. The unit value of inductance is known as Henry. Relay. The relay is an electromechanical switch that receives power from one circuit and automatically operates itself to another circuit for operation. The relay has a coil in it and a few contacts acting on that magnetic field. These contacts are normally open and closed, and with a common pole. When the energy reaches the coil, creates a magnetic field, and it closes the contacts. So that the open contacts will be switched to close, and the closed ones to be open. These contacts are used to operate the signals associated with other devices as needed. Transistor. The transistor is a combination of a semiconductor that joins together with two PN junctions or two NP junctions. Like this, a transistor has three sections and two junctions such as PNP or NPN. These sections are named as emitter, base and collector. N-type material is placed in between two P-type materials is called PNP. P-type material comes in between two N-type materials is called NPN. Each section has individual leads to indicate the respective poles, such as emitter, base and collector. Drawing symbol of a transistor is given here. There is an arrow mark shall be seen in the emitter-base junction. In the PNP transistor, the arrow should be faced to the base from emitter, and in the NPN transistor, the arrow is facing to emitter from the base. The direction of arrow indicates that, in PNP type, the emitter is positive respect to base. And in NPN type, emitter is negative concern to base. Simplifying the function of a transistor is as follows. As I said, the transistor has three poles such as emitter, base and collector. The emitter is collecting maximum electrons from the circuit and delivers them to the base. Then the collector collects all electrons from the base and delivers to next circuit. There is logic provided in this process, that is, the base is controlling the flow of electrons from base to collector, according to the requirement. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to get new videos and updates.